kitchen where the magic's made. Leah and Trisha got it laid. Low carb dishes on the rise. Healthy meals usually pride.
And now I'm going to go ahead and make the sausage dip. And it says by Cooking with Christy right here, Keto Gatherings. This is what I'm making, and it is sausage stuffing. And I'm going to use mushrooms, eggs, celery, chicken broth, sage, garlic, my bread. This is my bread. I made 2 loaves last night. I wanted to show you my bread. Look at that. Look at that. I made 2 loaves. 1 so that I can have bread, and 2 so I can cut it up for my sausage stuffing. So to be continued. Okay, so according to the book, it is 1 pound of mild breakfast sausage, 1 cup of button mushrooms, a 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery, 1/3 cup of finely chopped onions, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter softened, 1 teaspoon of dried sage, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. So that is what I did. Then over here, you need to make your modified soul bread, which I did last night. You chop that up and you add 2 large eggs and a 1/2 cup of chicken bone broth and 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and the 4 cups of the soul bread crumbs. And then you take this, now that that is completely simmered down and sauteed, and you take this and you pour it into this. Okay. Whew, hot. Okay. I'm going to mix all this up with the egg and the heavy whipping cream and the chicken broth, and then I'm going to bake it. And it says to go ahead and bake 25 to 30 minutes until browned at 350. So we'll be back. It is all incorporated together, and now I'm going to sit it in my oven for 25 to 30 minutes.
In a kitchen where the magic's made. Leah and Trisha got it laid. Low carb dishes on the rise. Healthy meals usually pride.